Un jour, mon prince viendra. Un jour, on s'aimera dans son château, heureux comme avant. Goûter le bonheur qui nous attend. Quand le printemps un jour ranimera l'amour, les oiseaux chanteront, les cloches sonneront, l'union de nos cœurs un jour.
Bonjour à tous, c'est Corbeau, on est parti pour l'épisode 2 de The Wolf Among Us. Normalement, d'après ce que j'ai vu, on va le terminer d'une traite puisque les épisodes restants, c'est-à-dire les 4 épisodes restants, puisque ce jeu comprend 5 épisodes, les 4 restants se terminent en 1 heure. Donc c'est cool, au moins ça sera une vidéo, un épisode et on est bon. C'est parti, écoutez, ça fait quelques temps que j'ai pas joué, quelques jours, mais j'ai encore vraiment bien en tête ce qui s'est passé. Donc c'est pas un souci. Et on a un résumé en plus, nickel.
Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid cunt?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
I promise.
Thank you for trusting me.
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Come with me.
Bien sûr, l'épisode finissait sur ça. La découverte de Blanche-Neige décapitée.
You asked me a
Oh, pardon,
question.
c'était le premier meurtre, ça. C'était donc Conan.
I'm D. He's dumb.
You're gonna tell me, right now, what...
Dad!
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and, they're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really...
Voilà, le bûcheron en avait écarté l'idée que ce soit lui le meurtrier.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck, man!
This fucking lapdog. He comes sniffing around this poor rich fucks and the women's need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
D'accord, ils ont pas montré Blanche-Neige décapitée alors que ça finissait sur ça, donc c'est quand même étonnant. Ça sera peut-être repris au début de l'épisode, on va voir comment c'est géré. Voilà, c'est exactement ça.
Mr. Wolf!
You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep. How are you feeling? I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
Je réponds pas.
Nice. Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
You don't know anything.
did, you wouldn't be sitting here talking to me. You'd be talking to the piece of shit that did this.
Well, you stonewalling me like this isn't helping either of us, so why don't you cut the shit and... I'm trying to help you, Bigby.
What is it with you cops? Always trying to empathize with people. I know this must be hard for you. Do you? Do you fucking know? Have you had a friend killed and their head left at your fucking doorstep? No? Didn't think so.
Donc là, on est face à la police normale, hein. Je pensais pas du tout la police des fables. La police des fables, c'est nous, en fait. Oula.
Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Do you hear that? Please. Please.
C'est pas la grande forme, apparemment, hein.
I'm sorry. Just make it stop, please.
Faut prendre un Doliprane, hein. Et voilà, il fallait le prendre plus tôt, surtout.
We have to go, now.
What the fuck is going on?
You should be thanking me. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works. The whole station will forget the last 24 hours, and everything they saw at the Woodlands. Well, hurry up.
On sait pas trop pourquoi, mais l'adjoint au maire, il a pas l'air bien clair, hein. Et on connaît pas le maire, on n'a jamais vu le vrai maire. Non, je lui dis rien, je l'aime pas.
We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem. Bluebeard's currently interrogating him, and he hasn't said anything useful. And Bigby, we have to tread carefully here. We can't implicate an innocent man, and people are already worried about your conduct.
He's working for somebody, and whoever it is wants him snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't necessarily mean they're involved in the murders.
Ah ouais, non mais on est d'accord, hein. Pour l'instant j'ai vraiment aucune intuition, aucune piste, j'en sais rien, on va voir ce qui va se passer.
I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too. You know, I never get more homesick than when one of us dies. And now, for it to be Snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is really happening.
Allez, on va être cool quand même. Il a l'air plus sympa qu'avant, donc on va essayer d'être cool avec lui.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she, give any indication to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean. I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was... I guess fine, I suppose.
She could come off as callous sometimes, but she wasn't really. She said that she wanted to change things. Make it easier for Fables to get help when they need it.
I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby. For Miss White.
I got it.
Méfiance, méfiance. Cet adjoint au maire, quand même, il pue du cul, comme on dit.
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less painful for you. In theory.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Hello, Bigby.
I want answers, D.
Oh, goody. I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
I'm glad you have a sense of humor. I hope that means you're willing to cooperate. Snow White is dead.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
And I'm supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
I still have questions for you, D.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work.
Alors,
He's
attendez.
had more experience with these kinds of things.
You know I saw you at Faith's apartment. What were you doing there?
Girl's got air conditioning. You can't imagine what it's like living in a little shithole with no air, especially with this heat wave
Bon,
going
je vais
on.
être sympa parce qu'il y a l'adjoint au maire.
I'm not fucking around here,
Il aime pas la violence, il a dit.
All right, D. Let's get to know each other.
Ok, d'accord, donc,
Are you
qu'est-ce qui se
done
passe?
yet? I'm getting old over here.
C'est quoi déjà? C'est une photo qu'on a... Ah, c'est la photo de la tête de... D'accord, on va faire ça.
Fuck, Bigby. Don't make me look at that. Just put that away. Please.
Snow was murdered, D. She was... important to me. If you know who did this, you have to tell me.
I don't know what to tell you. You're barking up the wrong tree. I don't know who did it.
Just tell me what you were doing at Faith's apartment.
Look, Bigby, we're not on opposite sides here. My brother and I are trying to get to the bottom of things. Same as you.
Your brother. Where was he last night?
I can't say. He could have been anywhere.
Take your best guess.
He didn't do it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look, I answered your question. Can I get my stuff back now?
What did you find on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Un cigare, du
Can we
pognon,
move this along? If you need some
Et
assistance,
du
I'd be
whisky.
more than happy to provide some.
et on peut faire quoi? Sûrement le libérer ou le taper ou lui parler. Bon, on va regarder déjà les objets.
Come on. I'm saving that. real nice.
So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith. I don't know where he is now, but he didn't kill anybody. Just leave him out of this.
You went to find Faith's what?
Her apartment. I went to her apartment. That's no secret. You saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
All right, Dee, since you never answered my first question, what did you want from Faith?
Sorry, I can't help you. I'm not saying any more about it.
Ok, bon, on n'est pas loin, les gars. Il va parler, hein, il est pas très coriace non plus. Hein. Bon, la thune.
You always carry this much cash?
I've got a lot of laundry to do this week. What's it to you? I better get that back.
Enfin, je sais pas quoi faire là, j'hésite. Pour l'instant, on l'a joué cool avec lui. On n'a pas trop fait le ripou, quoi. On va continuer, ça avait l'air de marcher. Je vais reposer l'argent.
Come on, Pete. What did you want from Faith? Sweet girl like her.
Sweet? You think that girl was sweet? She was a fucking thief. Fucking sweet. Faith was plenty of things, but that ain't one of them.
What did she steal?
I don't know. Just some dumb thing my boss was after.
Your boss?
So let's talk about your boss, then.
You're gonna get me in trouble, Bigby. I can't answer any more of your questions.
Ok.
Just let me go, all right? I don't have any answers.
Pardon, alors le
for you.
whisky, qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire avec ça?
You just carry this around?
Always handy that way.
Non, on va être cool.
That couldn't hurt, I guess.
Why don't you just tell me who you're working for?
Look, you're not a bad guy. I believe Beauty on that. But I can't give you that information. That's where I gotta draw the line.
There's no way Beauty would associate with a scumbag like you.
What's wrong with me? You're telling me I ain't pretty enough? Yeah, we're real close.
I thought this was supposed to be a murder investigation, but you're treating this guy like a fucking house guest, Bluebeard! And not getting any answers from him this way.
Ouais, ça a marché, hein, déjà.
Floyd is dead. One of us. And you're going to let this ignorant shit walk out of here in one piece. Out of my way. I'll show you how it's done!
What the fuck? What do you think you're doing?
Teaching him a lesson. Now pay attention.
Stop this right now! You enjoying your...
Ouais, il m'énerve, barbe bleue, là. Allez, hop.
Immensely.
What's going on down here?
Ok.
Snow.
Générique. D'accord, bon, pourquoi pas. Est-ce que vous pensez que j'ai le temps de me faire une petite cigarette là? On va essayer. Ça va faire du bruit, désolé. Bon, alors qu'est-ce qu'on peut anticiper là? Donc Blanche-Neige n'est pas morte, à moins que ce soit une nouvelle Blanche-Neige. Alors est-ce qu'on a vu une vision? Est-ce que c'était pas une vraie tête? Smoke and Mirrors, la fumée et les miroirs.
was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that. I thought you could
Merde,
control
merde, merde.
yourself.
J'ai pas eu le temps de répondre, c'est pas grave.
I hope it was worth your time.
Bon, question con, mais on va lui demander quand même. Hein.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain this, because I'm really not getting it yet.
After our conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy, but hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer. Or at least to figure out who she is, if it's not Faith's body.
I'm glad you took care of things.
Thanks.
Snow?
What is it?
I'm glad you're not dead.
Me too. I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
C'est bizarre, c'est bizarre.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me. That can't be a coincidence. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me. I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next
Mais ça se
move?
trouve, le trompe-l'œil, en fait, c'est quelqu'un qui utilise actuellement pour ressembler à Blanche-Neige. Hein. Méfiance quand même. Hein.
Don't
C'est
worry.
peut-être pas la vraie.
And what am I supposed to do? Sit around the business office
Regardez,
twiddling
elle
my
fait une tête
thumbs,
chelou. Hein.
waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
I'm the sheriff, Snow. I go out and do the dirty work to keep you all safe.
And what am I here for then? I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm
and-
not yours to lose. I'm sorry. I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself. I've been doing it for centuries. TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know.
I can handle the kid.
C'est qui CJ?
Okay.
Un des gamins du crapaud, non? On va bien voir.
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Alors. Donc c'est ça, c'était bien le gamin du crapaud, on va aller le voir.
Oh, that's enough.
Mira, finish! Cancel! What the hell are you doing?
Bigby, you ready to apologize?
What's going on?
For hitting me in front of my boy. Did you fucking forget? I didn't, and neither did he.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
TJ, I know you're scared, but we would like to talk about what you found, if that's okay with you. It's up to you, TJ.
Je vais rien
Will you
dire.
help us?
On va laisser Blanche gérer, ouais, parce que nous on a fait un peu le con avec les crapauds quand
I
même.
want to help.
Voilà. Stratégie, on ferme notre gueule.
Watch yourself, Bigby. You do anything to hurt me boy.
It's okay.
Je dis rien, je continue. Ah, j'aurais peut-être
Go
dû.
ahead, TJ.
On fait plus flipper quand on dit rien que quand on
I
parle
go
en fait.
swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I promise.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ. You're okay.
Allez, on continue.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Then I saw... I saw the lady.
It's okay, son.
On continue. C'est tentant de le réconforter, mais il va avoir peur si on s'approche de lui.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Cinder blocks tied to her ankles. Is there more, TJ?
Is it true? You know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
D'accord, je sais pas.
It's my special power. I always know when people aren't telling me the truth. Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you.
You're not in trouble.
Like Ellie's not.
Not this time, Toad.
So you didn't stay underwater.
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, stop laughing. And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Did you see who it was?
No!
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No!
Sheriff.
On va arrêter là.
Okay, TJ.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, TJ.
Ça sert à rien d'essayer de l'interroger plus longuement.
Let's get you home.
You did a good job, kid.
Come on, then.
Si on lui parlait trop, il se serait braqué, il aurait eu peur. Donc voilà, on a les informations, on n'insiste pas.
That went about as well as I expected. You want to go look at the body now?
On va y aller. Pas tout de suite.
In a minute.
When you're ready.
N'oublions pas que le crapaud est en train de traficoter le miroir. Et il y a toujours la lampe d'Aladin. Ça m'intrigue. Ouais, apparemment. Le génie n'est pas là. Alors on a le miroir, qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre? Donc ici c'est pour se barrer, je pense aller examiner le corps. Ça c'est quoi ça? Bouteille de parfum.
Snow's perfume.
Ok, ça s'appelait le Léola, un truc dans ce genre. Hein. Anti-aigreur. Ouais, il en a besoin, c'est sûr.
And acids. This has been harder on him than I thought.
Bon. Le miroir.
Mirror.
Hello, Bigby. Nice to see you.
Alors, voilà, qu'est-ce que le crapaud regardait?
What were you showing Mr. Toad and his son?
Cinderella selling shoes, Rapunzel, Rose, and of course there's you. And I can't help note that you did not rhyme. Do try to stick to the rules next time.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Alors, montre-moi le bûcheron, montre-moi Tweedledum. Alors, le bûcheron.
The woodsman and I were fighting. Now I want to know where he's hiding. Well, that's helpful.
Le mec, il picole debout, quoi. Normal.
Where can I find Tweedledum? That piece of scum.
Ouais, il avait l'air d'être en planque, bon, c'est pas ouf, quoi. Attendez, c'est quoi? Ah, c'est le livre. Le livre des fables. Bon, pour l'instant, on n'a pas de... Je me souviens de ça, du livre, mais on n'a rien à chercher, quoi, donc on s'en fout. Allez.
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Carrément, on est parti.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. I almost forgot.
Come on.
Vous avez vu, c'est pas clair quand même. Hein. Blanche-Neige, elle a l'air d'en savoir plus qu'elle n'en dit. Chambre du puits magique. D'accord, donc c'est là où le corps a été trouvé. Voilà, le corps est là-bas. Allons-y. C'est joli hein, quand même. Techniquement, c'est relativement pauvre, mais artistiquement, c'est beau. Alors...
Wow. I didn't realize... I've never seen her face before now.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do.
Oui, mais on sait pas encore si c'est un trompe-l'œil en fait. Moi, d'instinct, je me dis que le trompe-l'œil c'est la blanche vivante, si vous voyez ce que je veux dire. Bon, alors je peux regarder la broche, le cou, la tête, et je peux aller sur la droite apparemment. Bon, on verra plus tard. Bon, bah la tête.
Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks.
Looks just like Faith's dead.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Je peux encore regarder le cou.
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Ah, c'est bizarre, c'est
Do
bizarre.
you see that?
Could be a bruise.
Si c'est un trompe-l'œil, il n'y a aucune raison qu'elle ait le même parfum, quoi. Mais oui, oui, oui.
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that. Why bother with the right perfume if the appearance isn't completely accurate?
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
C'est là où il faudrait le livre des fables, là. Alors, comment je fais pour me barrer à droite, là? D'accord. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? Ah, elle a le poing fermé, les traces d'injection au niveau du genou et des blessures, d'accord.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
On va l'ouvrir de force, mais j'ai peur que
What
ça,
are you
ça
doing?
craque, quoi.
Way to find out.
Jesus,
Non, ça va.
Bigby. What is it? Flowers.
Yeah.
Pétale de lilas, c'était ça, hein? Ouais, c'est ça.
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg. Unless
Don't be ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
Je dis rien.
It looks like it's failing, but glamours aren't supposed to do that. The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Bon, on va demander gentiment.
Snow, do you mind if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Pourquoi c'est pas elle?
It's not you, Snow.
Oui,
It's
d'accord.
just a body.
Sorry, that took longer than expected. What have you found out?
Her glamour's defective.
Oh, defective.
We're thinking it's black market. We should really be regulating this kind of thing.
Yes.
We should keep going.
Alors, la lingerie, une poche, une autre poche. C'est parti.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions. I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You may be right. One way to find out.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
On va quand même être prudent.
I'm not sure yet. Something to do with these rings here.
Alors. D'accord, bon, faut reconstituer l'image, j'imagine. ça devrait aller. On était pas mal. Enfin, quoique. Si, voilà, parfait. Non, c'est pas bon, hein? Voilà.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Ouais, d'accord, donc c'était peut-être vraiment un trompe-l'œil en fait. Hein. Ça, c'est sûrement les cheveux qui appartiennent à Blanche. À côté, une photo de Blanche.
Is that...
It's your hair.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, she's a troll. Can we move on?
Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is?
Bon, au moins c'était un trompe-l'œil, on en est sûr.
No
Ok.
many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of...
Non, non,
He's
c'est
in
elle de
charge of
choisir.
this
Hein.
investigation.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop
On
her.
la protégera de toute façon.
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Bon, et ben voilà, ça progresse les gars. Au moins, on peut laisser tomber la théorie selon laquelle c'était pas du tout un trompe-l'œil. Hein. Là, c'est sûr. Pas de doute. Et nous voilà de retour au Trip Trap Bar.
This whole thing is complete bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment.
C'est quand même la classe, hein. Franchement, un personnage qui en impose. Hein.
This'll do.
Holly, you got a minute?
Why?
Please, Holly. It's important.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Ouais, alors par contre, les deux branleurs là, ils vont pas me faire chier longtemps, je vous le dis tout de suite. Hein.
Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
I just need to talk to Holly. Privately.
All right, just give us a second first. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tweedledee was just here.
You said it looked like Snow White.
Sure it wasn't Tweedledum?
Well, no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties.
Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack, find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. Cat got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble, Jack. I'm sick and tired of trouble. I don't want any more.
Bon, on s'en fout des deux connards là, on reste sur Holly.
Outside or fuck the hell off. I don't care which.
Holly.
What? Bigby, look. Two
Merde, c'était
fables
pas ce
are
que
dead.
j'avais compris.
And
C'est
shit,
pas grave.
Bren's sister.
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister has been missing for what? A few days now? And we haven't heard word one about it from
Allez, il
anyone.
me saoule.
Hey, easy! Ah, fuck! What'd I do? It's enough. Ah!
Go fuck on up a beanstalk, Jackie boy.
Gren, you gotta learn some new lines. Let me tell you.
C'était quoi cette insulte?
All right then. Actually, have there been any updates
Bon, on va être sympa, mais on va quand même lui dire. Hein.
on my sister?
I don't know how to say this to you, Holly. The woman we found in the river,
Who was it?
you know who it was.
God fucking damn it! Of course, the dear princess, Snow fucking White, is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
All right, clear out. Give her some room.
I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Bon, je parle pas beaucoup, les gars, je sais, mais bon, qu'est-ce que vous voulez que je dise hein.
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
wanted...
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine. It's very rare. And very old.
That was decent of you.
Gren,
Yeah?
take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Bon, on a donné la broche, hein, effectivement, c'était peut-être une preuve ou un indice, mais bon, quelque part, on s'en fout, elle est morte, voilà, quoi. D'où la broche vient, on s'en
I
tape
don't
pas
know
mal.
that
Hein.
much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often.
Même si elle vient de nous le dire, ça vient d'une mine de nains et tout, mais vous voyez ce que je veux dire, quoi. C'est pas la broche qui va nous aider à résoudre le truc, hein.
She was lost here, in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Do you have any idea why she'd be glamored as Snow White?
What? Oh, God. I'm sorry. That was probably about... She was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie. The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees. It's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's okay. If it's too much, we don't have to do this.
Non, mais c'est bon, pas besoin de parler. On va la laisser tranquille, on a tout.
We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Lily.
Thanks for everything, Holly. Is there anything we can do to...
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
It's not charity. It's looking out for our own.
Is she... Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with trolls. We burn our dead by
Attendez.
sunrise
Alors,
or-
est-ce qu'on a besoin du corps? Non, non, on n'en a pas besoin, c'est terminé. Allez hop, on est cool.
Of course.
Okay, good.
Let's go down to the business office and start making the necessary preparations, all right? That club?
I'll go down there now.
Je pense pas qu'on ait fait une connerie, on a plus besoin du corps, quoi. On sait qui c'est, non, ça sert plus à rien. Oh non, c'est bien.
Really? Thanks. It just made everything easier.
En tout cas, ça fait plaisir de retrouver notre petite Blanche-Neige. On sait que c'est la vraie, enfin à moins qu'il y ait anguille sous roche. Mais je ne pense pas. Elle est bien sympa, cette petite Blanche-Neige. Ok, donc direction le bar... le bar à pute au final, hein, c'était ça hein. Pour aller voir le proxénète donc, hein, qui faisait bosser Oli. Putain, je comprends tout les gars. Oh lolololo. Je suis un enquêteur né. Le PewDiePie. Ah non, pardon. Le Pudding and Pie.
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure? Or both?
I'm looking for someone.
Finding you someone is our specialty, but the club's closed.
Not quite what I meant.
That's too bad. I guess you'd better talk to Georgie. You're in luck. He's here. Come on.
Ok, nickel. Facile les gars.
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now. I mean, more so than usual.
It'll be fine. I have a way with people.
So I've heard.
Attention, ça pue l'embuscade. Hein.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure. Your desires are our
Non, je réponds pas, je dis rien, je m'en fous d'elle.
Your imagination is the menu, and discretion is our guarantee.
For fuck's sake! What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit. Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
Nice guy. Seems like a real prince.
You do have a sense of humor. That's good. Good luck.
Bon les gars, on a été sympa avec le crapaud. On a été sympa avec la troll barmaid. Dit que lui, il va pas nous faire chier. Hein. S'il me gonfle, on le tabasse. Hein. J'aime pas les Macs moi. Déjà voilà, tu vas éteindre ta musique de merde.
Oh, it's you. We're closed. Keep dancing, you. I didn't say stop. For fuck's sake. You, stay right there. Don't even think about sitting down.
Bon, on va y aller en violence. Hein.
Leave her alone, asshole.
Sure, whatever you say. What do you want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up. Or, knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beating. Tell me, do you prefer a stationary target, or one that will put up a fight?
Fuck you, Georgie.
Fuck you, Georgie. Rawr. It's the big bad wolf. Jesus, Bigby, you're so corny. I love it, though. No, seriously, I love it. Okay, all right, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
Are you sure?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamored.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No. I mean glamored to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things when nobody's watching.
You know, it's illegal to impersonate another fable.
It's frowned on.
It's illegal as long as I don't like it. The 13th floor would never provide a glamour like that. It's strictly black market stuff.
Ooh, black market, is it? How exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up. And we're all just meant to jump anytime the wolf shows his teeth.
Alors, donc la mèche de Blanche, la photo de Blanche, la bouteille du trompe-l'œil. Allez, on va être un peu dur.
Get that out of my face.
This was part of the glamour
Ah non, c'est
we
cette
found
photo-là,
on
oui, bien sûr.
Lily's body. Take a good look. She was impersonating Snow White. Why?
You've got this all wrong. If Lily was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. For fuck's sake, I want that kind of eat.
Who was she doing it for, then?
She had clients, Bigby. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me. Go on, then.
Turn that shit off!
You're gonna hit me? Go ahead. That's what you want to do,
Bon, vous êtes prêts, les gars? C'est parti.
You came here for, right? Oh, no, fuck! You! Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it! Bloody bastard fucking shit! You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess?
Plutôt fier, oui.
Fuck off, Hans.
Hold on a minute. Hans, is it?
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're
it?
a fucking moron.
Show me.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start. Hey, that's my personal property.
Alors, parlez-moi du livre où on défonce le Ghetto Blaster.
Do what comes naturally.
Ouais, je suis chaud là.
Oh no! You unbelievable prick! Hey now!
Cut the crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again. Don't even think about it. Jesus fuck! Do not touch that. You hear me? It's nothing to do with you.
Well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Bon, dernière chance, après on passe vraiment en mode baston, quoi.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you. Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on, mate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
Ah, je casse tout, je m'en fous.
This is a dance club. What the hell am I supposed to do tonight while the girls are on stage? Harmonica, kazoo, whistle a happy tune.
Du kazoo.
Fucking unbelievable. Bloody come on then. Fucking trash my business over this bullshit. Protector of Fabletown, my ass. What a load of crap. Once again, don't get your hopes up. There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so we can be happy about that.
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Hans knows that.
207.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book. Your
I'm not
girls.
their fucking secretary. I give them a stage. I give them music. I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
Ok, on peut pas aller lui mettre une autre petite baigne là,
Hello?
juste pour le plaisir.
Business office.
Est-ce que c'est possible?
Georgie?
Bon, apparemment on peut pas. Bon, c'est pas grave.
Yeah, that's right.
On va aller voir la fille. Alors, on a des prénoms. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Johnny, Jade, Gwen, bien beau prénom. Madison, Alexis, Faith, George, Ginger. Du maquillage et tout. Bah voilà, bah c'est parti. On va tout faire de toute façon. Bon, donc dans le casier de Lily, il n'y a rien. Alors, Faith. Donc oui, Faith, c'était Podane en fait. Hein, la première fille assassinée. Donc il n'y a plus rien.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock. Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter. Faith.
Bon, on est d'accord que ça... Ouais. On n'a rien à en tirer. Ça, c'est quoi? Une note. Ça peut être intéressant.
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily. Looks like they both saw one of Lily's clients.
D'accord. Donc là, on a fait le tour. Est-ce qu'il y a la fille quelque
Excuse me.
part?
I heard you out there. I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
I'm here now.
Yes. you're trying to place me. They used to call me the Little Mermaid. Once upon a time. Does that help?
You have legs. That a glamour?
No, they're real. Do you like them? They cost me a lot. My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions.
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those yourself.
Alors, vous avez vu l'île hier soir? Non, on va plutôt partir sur le 207.
Does the number 207 mean anything to you? I assumed it was a room number. But where?
We can't talk about work.
This is a murder case.
I mean can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee. It's how things work here.
People keep using those phrases. What does it mean? This is what I need to know about. Lily's last entry. Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
These lips. Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
Sûrement un sortilège, effectivement, qui les empêche de parler. Hein. Peut-être que si je dis OK, elle pourra nous aiguiller sur une piste sans parler. Allez, on y va.
What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Ah ouais, on y va.
Oh, I don't...
Wait here for a second.
C'est l'impression que j'ai. Elle aimerait pouvoir nous répondre, mais elle peut pas à cause du sortilège des lèvres scellées, quoi.
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
The open arms. This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Ok, on a bien géré. Bon, on est à plus d'une heure de vidéo, je sais, mais on s'en fout, hein, on y va. Hein. On termine. Ça m'embête vraiment de couper l'épisode, quoi. Et ça m'embête surtout d'arrêter là, quoi, parce que là, je suis vraiment dedans. C'est quand même assez passionnant, quoi, y a rien à dire. Ok, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Une machine à soda, on s'en fout pas mal. Le téléphone, ok. Le panneau, alors il y a quoi là-dessus?
If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
La sonnette. Alors bon, dès qu'il y a une sonnette comme ça vous fait penser à quoi? Et là, vous savez si vous êtes des vrais ou des gros noobs. Dans quel jeu il y a une sonnette comme ça, sur laquelle on peut appuyer encore et encore, pour rendre fou la réceptionniste? Je réponds pas. Faites péter les commentaires. Démonstration.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night?
Ah, c'est belle, voilà.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent.
So, now you know.
I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew. Beast is a proud man, Bigby. He wants to do right by me, and he just couldn't handle it if he knew I had to do this so we don't get evicted.
Well, your secret's safe with me, all right? Let's not make a big thing of it.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too. So, what are you doing here? Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Alors...
Ever see Lily with someone
On
here?
va essayer de savoir qui était le client en fait, quoi. Le reste on s'en fout un peu. Hein.
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Bon, est-ce que vous avez vu Blanche ici quelque part? On s'en fout puisqu'on sait qu'il y avait Lily, donc Blanche c'est pareil. Est-ce que vous connaissiez Faith? On s'en fout. Tweedledee, bon bah voilà, non, on va monter à la chambre. Hein. Pas perdre de temps.
Thanks.
Wait, it'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself. 5 minutes, please.
We'll see. Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
That won't be hard.
Listen, Bigby, I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it.
Ouais, elle est bien gentille, mais bon.
I mean, it's not like Beast
C'est déjà 2 fois qu'on la couvre, quoi.
It's just...
Pour la protéger de la... Ah merde, c'est pas grave. Pas. Après tout, il y a une limite aussi, quoi. On va pas la couvrir éternellement.
Well, here we are. Which one was it?
Donc, on a la clé pour le 204, mais nous, ce qu'on voudrait vraiment, c'est le 207, on est d'accord. Alors... Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? En même temps, la... J'avais pas entendu les bruitages. En même temps, la fille là dans le bar, elle voulait vraiment qu'on aille à la 204, j'ai l'impression, donc on va y aller. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici?
Never sure why they have desks in a place like this. You get health inspectors through here very often?
I don't know. What do you think? Finding what you're looking for?
I wasn't expecting much in here.
But isn't this why you're here? Why you have the key?
No, the key was just to be sure I found the right hotel. This isn't the room Lily was using.
Oh.
Ouais, on est d'accord. Direction 207.
So, are we done now?
No, the room they met in was 207.
Allez, on y va. Ah, on peut écouter à travers. On va faire ça. J'entends rien.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want. Seriously, what if someone found out? I could get into a lot of trouble.
I could just break in the door if you prefer.
No, don't. I'll help you. Just don't break anything. Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby? How could you do this to me?
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I took care of you. I love...
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me! With him?
No, no, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet! I'm sure you help each other just great! I know what this place is!
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me! What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife!
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Ah!
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop! Stop it!
You told me you hadn't seen her, you fucking liar! You've been sleeping with her this whole time!
We don't have to do this. Just calm down and...
Beast!
Pas bon ça les gars. Gros quiproquo, il a pas l'air finaux. Hein.
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me!
She's my wife, Bigby!
I told you! Beast! Stop!
Bon, j'ai essayé de pas lui faire trop mal hein, si j'ai des choix, mais bon pour l'instant.
Leave him be! This is my fault! Beast, no! I understand!
Oh, vous avez esquivé pourtant. Oula.
Bigby, no! Don't hurt him!
Non, non, c'est bon, on se calme, on se calme.
You ruined everything! She's my fucking
Ah, j'ai pas le
wife!
choix, merde, j'ai raté. Ah bah au moins c'est ouvert, très bien.
Shit!
What have you done?
Bigby,
Look what you did to the door! You can't just act like this whenever
stand
you...
back. You don't want to see this.
Beauty, stay in the hall.
What? Why? What's going on? Oh my god!
Don't touch anything.
Is this...
Lily met her client here. Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then,
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
J'ai des sales blagues en réserve les gars, je vais pas les faire. Je vous laisse imaginer.
Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Did you notice anything?
Bon au moins on a calmé le
out of
truc
the
avec
ordinary?
la bête.
There might have been some loud noises.
I don't know. I mean, loud noises aren't out of the ordinary. I didn't hear anyone screaming or anything like that, but shouldn't I have? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay?
Il est quand même solide des yeux ce mec, hein, parce qu'on lui a quand même enfoncé les doigts dans les yeux, mais bon, ça va.
Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Un radio-cassette, un livre de comptes, bouteille, cendrier, une cassette. Ça c'est la porte, ça c'est belle. Bon bah c'est parti. D'accord, donc encore une...
He brought wine.
It's classy.
Une demande spéciale. Et comme c'est ce qu'il avait écrit sur la bouteille là, de trompe-l'œil, là c'était le même principe j'ai l'impression. C'est vraiment quelqu'un qui voulait faire une mise en scène
It's a huff and puff.
pour être avec Blanche-Neige en fait.
Smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not.
Là le bouquin ça va être Blanche-Neige. Ah non. Si, peut-être.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow
Voilà.
White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
Ok.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Donc c'est écrit en allemand, on est d'accord. Mais pas les post-it.
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
Donc là, il y a marqué sur le post-it Was she breathing, c'est-à-dire est-ce qu'elle respirait. Ici, Fuji, c'est ça? Red Delicious, Empire. Peut-être des variétés de pommes en anglais. Là, franchement, j'en sais rien. Beautiful, on est d'accord. Bon, ben voilà, on a fait le tour du bouquin. Ok. Ça nous est pas d'une grande aide. Par contre, on a la cassette. Hop, je prends la cassette et je la mets dedans.
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night, it was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder. Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Ok, bon, on va s'occuper du lit. Est-ce que je peux aller par là? Non, je peux pas, d'accord.
Looks like she was lying down when she was killed.
Bien sûr, les fleurs qu'on a trouvées dans sa main.
How do you know that?
Blood pattern. Also, I'd say the body was dragged off the foot of the bed. There.
The body. Jesus. You could say she. Poor girl. I just can't even imagine. What is it?
Alors, les fleurs indiquent une connexion personnelle. Ça me rappelle le cercueil de Blanche, ça ressemble à tous les sacrifices. On va partir sur du rituel.
I'm wondering if this might be a ritual killing. The bed looks like an altar, the way it's been set up deliberately with the flowers all around it. Victim lying down, no apparent struggle. Looks like some kind of sacrifice.
That's horrible. To do something like this in the name of religion or whatever. To lure someone here and make her lie down and then... I mean, you'd have to be insane. God.
Alors, on a le placard maintenant.
God.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no. She must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
What are you thinking?
Alors, ce pourrait être un travesti. Il aime quand c'est sauvage, on dirait un costume de blanche. Bah oui.
This is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate
Ouais,
the snow.
on a foiré la preuve du lit tout à l'heure, je pense. Bon, c'est pas grave.
So this freak made that poor girl dress up like Snow White, then cut her head off. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
We can't know the answer to that. Every situation is different.
Yeah.
Ok. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a?
She must have been so scared.
Est-ce que j'ai oublié quelque chose? On peut parler à Belle. Ici, il n'y a que dalle. Par terre, il n'y a que dalle. Le radiocassette, on le connaît. Le lit, on peut plus rien examiner. Bon, on va parler à Belle. Non, c'est pas du tout Belle. Si, c'est Belle, c'est Belle. Ouais, c'est ça.
I'd better not find out you're hiding something from me about all this.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not involved in this. Please, just do whatever you need to do and let's get out of here.
How can I find out who rented this room?
Find whoever has the key? I'm pretty sure this one must be held long-term. And we don't keep a register or anything. This place voice is intentionally kind of anonymous.
I keep hearing that. Is there anything else you can tell me about last night? Anything that sticks out in your mind?
Sorry, no, it just seemed like every other night does. That's exactly what's bothering me. From now on, I'll just be down there imagining this.
Bien.
Damn, get it together, Beauty. Be strong.
Ah, il doit rester quelque chose à voir. Hein. Je regarde par terre. Ah, ici. Pomme. Où est-ce qu'elle est? Vous voyez une pomme, vous, là, les gars? Ah, d'accord.
Do you smell something?
No. Just apple.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
It's got a single bite taken out of it, like in Snow's story.
Oh no, do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense. He's just acting out another part of the book. God, I'm just having trouble processing all of this. This guy has some kind of weird Snow obsession, but then there's this other stuff too. The whole ritual sacrifice thing. I'm not sure what to do with. I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
Une lettre mystérieuse.
Are those pictures of the dead girl? How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer. What is it?
It's... Crane.
Ok, j'ai pas tout compris, les gars. Pourquoi il y aurait une photo du meurtre en lui-même, quoi? C'est bizarre, mais bon. Et oui, ça sera next time.
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands
Bon,
on
ben
it.
voilà, épisode 2 terminé.
Disgusting weasel.
C'était plus court que l'épisode 1, effectivement, donc quand même 1h30, hein, c'est quand même pas mal. C'était bien, rien à dire, franchement, c'est top. Hein. C'est vraiment super. Ça manque de jeu, quoi. On joue pas vraiment, mais bon, après tout, c'est pas grave. Hein. Tant que l'histoire est aussi passionnante, c'est pas un souci, quoi. Par contre, là, ça nous spoil de partout, quoi. C'est un truc de fou. Je crois que je vais arrêter de les regarder, quoi. Est-ce que je peux les zapper? Ouais. Voilà. C'est brutal, mais au moins, on n'est pas spoilé. Bon, on va aller voir un petit peu les nouveaux trucs. Voilà, hop. Juste histoire d'enlever les petites icônes. Bon, bah écoutez, voilà, épisode 2, c'était cool. Il en reste 3, quoi. Je sais pas quoi dire. Si ce n'est que, voilà, l'histoire de Crane, là, j'ai pas bien compris. On a trouvé la photo cachée sous le tapis, mais si le mec, si c'est Crane le meurtrier, pourquoi il y aurait une photo de lui comme ça? Quelqu'un l'aurait laissé pour nous, peut-être. Ouais, c'est peut-être ça. Au niveau des succès, qu'est-ce qu'on a fait? Terminer le chapitre 5. Ouais, d'accord, on s'en fout. Sur les succès, je m'en fous dans les jeux, moi. Bien, bon, écoutez, on se dépêche d'arrêter la vidéo pour pas que ça soit trop galère à uploader. Je vous dis, amusez-vous bien. À très bientôt pour la suite, hein, dans 2-3 jours maximum. Ciao tout le monde.